Yeah, but you don't know, the new generation, so we have to take them under arms and show them the way, you see me?
What the fuck? What him name?
Grandma's own name, man. Grandma's own.
But that's not a conscious artist
That's
name.
the problem, You see, cause we the thing long time, we hear a name like that and we think, say, boy, the worst. You can't think the worst. You have to give the youth them a chance, man. You can't judge a book by the cover.
Alright. Give him a chance. I hear artist, My general, and I see in the studio. Studio art, brother. Tell the artist them come for record, no? Him not come and forget AC. Record him come for record.
Grandma's one. Don't worry about that, man. Just go and do your thing, man. You know what come here for already, You know what come here for, man. Just do your thing, man.
Alright, you man. Me here you have, no? Hold on there. What that? No, man, I'm my vibes. Cause people just want to hear the tune and they want a visual experience. I want to go into the studio. So I give them the visual experience. You know, but you're not smoke now, no? What that? Yeah, I know, so we not burn nothing, but people don't know that. Them not know that. So I give them you see, this is a problem I have, you see me?
I see him out now, man. I feel like an intro thing that, man, to build a vibes on the track. You see me?
Alright. If you say about him, he's a versatile youth. Alright, cool. Alright, do your thing. Me here. Grammar zone. Yo, right now me sick in a head. Me take me 3-star a chick and me tab up the maid. You think I joke? Me old lady have to go dead. Blood that run river Nile. Me full them a laid. You think you bad? Me man, all you pick me a day.
Yo, me artist bad though, me.
Yo, me general. Let's stop a beat for me general.
Aren't you?
So hold on there. This supposed to be a conscious artist? You a conscious artist? Only in the streets. Me consciously know say this streets are bad for me general, you see me? So I get the streets where it need. You see me? So yeah, litter the streets. Cause me tell you right now, it's a hot garbage, It's a garbage. Right, it's not about garbage. We are talking about garbage, me general. I ask you a serious question. How much people dead in Jamaica from a year start from gun violence? Me general, I know my business for know how much people dead in the year, I build true in my general. Me not put no gun in a man and tell a man to go kill a man. You see me? I'm music. That's the problem. That's our problem, We just want to build tune without responsibility, right? We just want to build tune without any accountability for what we do, right? So don't feel like say you can build a song and it can affect the youth whether if you do good or if you do bad, right? Or the streets need where I get me general. So what you do? You got to go. You got to leave the studio. You can't stay there. You can't stay there. You got to go. Matter of fact, if I can't pass, if I come pre out the studio, because we're going to bring in a studio. I'm going to bring up damnation for me. No, it won't have to leave. It won't have to go.